This is your mentor, Mrs. Mohonia. So let's continue with our chapter, that is app development. For today, your learnings will be classification of mobile apps, uses of mobile apps, and assignment number 2. So let's begin with the first topic, that is classification of mobile apps. Well, the first app here is native apps. These apps are developed to be used on a particular platform or device. That means the majority of apps on your mobile devices are native apps. Well, these apps are built on systems like iOS, Android, Windows that cannot be used on any other platform. Next, apps that are developed keeping the device specification in mind are known as native apps. The apps which are developed for Android phone cannot be used on the iOS phone. Clear? Next is most native apps come pre-installed on the new phone. So most of the apps when you buy a new phone, they are already installed on your phone. Some of the native apps can run on the device without the use of internet, but some others may need the internet facility for full functionality. So moving further, next is hybrid app. Now hybrid apps are partly native apps and partly web apps. These apps can be stored partly on the local device and partly on the remote server. And the best example for hybrid app is Candy Crush. Now for example, like when you are playing a Candy Crush on your mobile, when you alone are playing a Candy Crush on your mobile, that means it is a native app. It is an example of a native app. But if you play with some other players, when you play online with other players, it works as a web app. As we have learned that web app needs a internet connection, full internet connection. So Candy Crush when you play alone, that is example of native apps, and when you play with other players online, that is an example of a web app. So that is why Candy Crush is the best example of a hybrid app. Why? Because hybrid app are partly native apps and partly web app. So moving further, let's go for the uses of common apps. Now here the first app is educational app. Now these apps provide us an interactive and interesting learning environment. Education is not limited to classrooms and blackboards. And in this present scenario, when we all are born to be at home, we are still updating ourselves, we are still enhancing our knowledge, we are still enhancing our education with the help of different available apps. The very best is Storybird, Kahoot, Mock, and still many more. If you are well aware of Google Classrooms, Google Meet, which we are using for the live session, Google Classroom, where we are sharing the links or the data has been shared with you by the faculty members and teachers. Apart from there, if you still have any doubt, if you have any equations problem, if you have any maths problem, or anything like wherever you have a doubt in any of your syllabus or any of your content of your studies, you can go through any of the apps online available. There are so many apps like Khan Academy is there, Byju's is there. These all are the online platforms available. Moving on further, we have a social networking app, that is these help lets you post images, videos and other updates to your profile, which can be shared with anyone. And the best is your WhatsApp. So with the help of these apps like WhatsApp, Facebook, Messengers, you can share, you can interact with people across the globe, and really it's a revolutionary idea which help us make new friends while sitting within the comfort of our homes. And still examples are Twitter, you have Instagram, Facebook, and here you can chat with your friends, you can chat with unknown peoples, you can chat with peoples, you can post pictures, videos online, you can send messages, you can make voice and video calls, and still more. So social networking apps, this again you can download from your Play Store. Next is your entertainment apps. Now these apps act as a stress buster and refresh us with the lively and entertaining content they have. Yes. Now these apps are used in the field of entertainment. Like Netflix is there, SoundCloud is there, and YouTube. These all are the entertainment apps. Now they may be free or might also charge for some premium services. Some are which charges you, and SoundCloud is also an application that allows you to stream songs, as well as you can upload your own songs. So moving further, banking and finance. Now these app allows quickly and easy access to most of the banking services and products. Yes, for our daily everyday banking needs, certain apps you need it. Not possible for us to visit to the bank, or if you want to make pay your electricity bill, or you want to make any payments, so it's not that you need to go every day and rush. So the best thing, you can use these apps. Paytm Mall is there, and almost all major banks have an online banking app to help their customers perform some common task. So HDFC Bank mobile app is also there, SBI mobile app, UNO app. These all apps help you to make payment of your bills, or if you want to transfer money from one bank to another account, or you want to request for the checkbook. These all can be done with the help of these apps. Next is e-commerce. Yes, e-commerce we have learned before also. Buying and selling of goods or services using electronic means is known as e-commerce. So the apps where you can buy or sell the goods comes under e-commerce. Flipkart.com, very good. Then Nykaa.com, Amazon. There are so many apps where you can buy and sell. Snapdeal, eBay. You can shop online. This provides you variety of options, clothes, appliances, accessories. You can choose from there. It can be about the groceries, it can be about the fashions, electronics, etc. So these all apps helps you for this, and also they allow you to order anything and have it delivered right at your doorstep. Obviously you can order. And moving further, so this is assignment number 2, my childrens. Do complete your assignment and forward it on my personal window. Here 2 questions are given to you. Thank you, my children. That's all from my end. And if you understood this video and if you are clear with the concept, do like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.